And as we count down to the announcement on who will be the Chief Minister of Delhi, tomorrow is when the Legislative Party meet will happen of all the newly elected BJP MLAs. That meeting is at 3 p.m. tomorrow, and it's in that meeting that officially the Legislative Party leader will be chosen, who eventually becomes the Chief Minister of Delhi. So tomorrow, all speculation will come to an end. At 3 p.m. is when the meeting will happen, and post that an official announcement will be made as to who is the chosen one, who the top brass of the BJP has picked to be the next Chief Minister of Delhi. All MLAs will be coming together for this meeting, where it will be communicated to them as to who the High Command has chosen. Remember, we've seen circumstances before where even the MLAs themselves don't know who's going to be picked. The man who's going to be named as the Chief Minister also is taken completely by surprise by the announcement. So it's a possibility that at this point, the BJP top brass has still not communicated to any of their MLAs as to exactly who could be the Chief Minister of Delhi. The oath-taking itself will happen at 11 a.m. on 20th February, on Thursday, for which grand arrangements are being made as we speak at the Ram Leela Maidan.
केंद्रीय नेतृत्व के निर्देशानुसार भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मुख्यमंत्री बहुत जल्दी दिल्ली को मिलने वाला है। दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत तेजी से विकास होने जा रहा है निश्चित तौर के ऊपर, और मीटिंग होगी उसके बाद मुख्यमंत्री अब सबके सामने होगा।
पहली बार ये देखा जा रहा है कि बारात तैयार है, मंडप भी तैयार हो रहा है, उसका निरीक्षण भी हो रहा है, बस दूल्हा कौन है ये नहीं पता किसी को। मुख्यमंत्री का नाम भारतीय जनता पार्टी अभी तक तय नहीं कर पाई है, या फिर कोई इतना बड़ा रहस्य है जिसको वो छुपाना चाहती है, जिसकी वजह से सब कुछ हो रहा है एक चीज छोड़ करके मुख्यमंत्री के।
Okay, let's bring in Piyush Mishra, who's joining us live with all of the updates on really when we can expect an announcement about the Delhi Chief Minister. Piyush, the swearing-in is, of course, on Thursday, but tomorrow we're expecting all of the mystery, the suspense to come to an end.
Well, certainly, Akshita, tomorrow is the day when this mystery will come to an end. Remember that the results were announced on February 8, and since then a lot of speculations have been made, a lot of discussions have taken place, internal meetings have taken place. When the results were also announced on the day when PM Narendra Modi had addressed the BJP workers, he had held the first round of meeting with the top leaders of BJP like Amit Shah, JP Nadda, BL Santosh, and other leaders were also present. After that, PM Narendra Modi went to his visit to France and US, and now when he's back, after PM Narendra Modi is back, we have also seen a series of meetings being held by top leaders of BJP. Today also, as we are speaking, there's a meeting underway at BJP headquarters in which BL Santosh, Tarun Chugh, Vinod Tavade, Viren Sachdeva, all these leaders are present. But tomorrow is the day when the BJP's legislative party meeting will take place at 3:30 p.m. and then tomorrow by evening, we will be able to know who will be the next Chief Minister of Delhi, and that person, the leader of our Delhi Legislative Party, will become Chief Minister, and he will also take the oath. Right now, we are present here at Ram Leela Maidan, where the preparations are underway. You can also see as to how a stage has been erected here. The preparations are going on. The work of cleaning the entire area, water sprinklers are being used, big bulldozers are being used, arrangements are being made. So tomorrow, after the announcement is made, day after tomorrow at 11 a.m., the oath-taking ceremony will take place. What we're learning is that BJP has, invited around 50,000 people from across the city.
50,000 people will be attending this swearing-in ceremony. It's a big celebration for the BJP. And let's talk about that guest list. Thanks very much, Piyush. Piyush reporting there from the Ram Leela Maidan.